Welcome to 2020 Real Estate. My name is Walt Marchowski. We are located in the Andalusia section of Bucks County, Pennsylvania, just a few blocks from the city of brotherly love, Philadelphia. Come on in and meet our staff.
When you're buying or selling a home or an investment property, you want to get it right. Let's hear from the experts at 2020 Real Estate.
We represent first-time home buyers, sellers. We handle investors that deal with investment properties. We do commercial leasing, new construction, and property management. People can make mistakes with real estate investing, with licensing, dealing with contractors, and just the overall process. If you come to 2020 Real Estate, we can eliminate a lot of those concerns and mistakes for you with our experience and connections that we have with the real estate world.
Not all real estate companies are the same. Walter explains.
With the rise in interest rates, you want to have an experienced agent explain the different types of mortgages that are out there with local grants, first-time home buyers, and investors. Here in Philadelphia, we have a very diverse culture. At 2020 Real Estate, we were able to support that with our staff. We have 7 full-time staff members here at 2020 Real Estate, everyone from different backgrounds and a different experience, but all real estate related.
They believe in building relationships for life.
I decided to go with 2020 as a real estate company, just knowing their years of experience. They've been around for quite some time, and I love the fact that they provide a variety of services, not only with helping to find investment properties, but also managing the properties. So I feel like it's a win-win situation. My relationship with 2020 started a few years back. I was actually introduced to them by a coworker who currently has properties that is managed by the company. Everything has been going so well with my first investment property that I have decided to get a second investment property. So we're currently going through the process of having all the paperwork being taken care of. Of course, everything is processed through 2020. They have a whole team that just leads the process from beginning to end to make it seamlessly easy. So I'm just excited. We should be going to closing, I believe, now within 30 days.
2020 Real Estate also has a strong property management presence.
We handle everything from lease signing, from tenant move-ins to tenant move-outs. We coordinate all the maintenance for the owners, and we always try to maximize the profits for our investors. We have the most up-to-date technology here with electronic signatures, client searches, and our social media platforms. Our website is also set up for owners to log into their own private portals to see when tenants pay rent, maintenance requests, and tenant balances. We also have a lot of investors that are out of the area, so we are the eyes and ears on the property. We will take videos, we will take pictures, and we will update the owner of the condition of the property. We will also assess the property to have the maximum potential.
And if you're selling, they can show you how to get the most for your property.
If you're selling your property, we can maximize the profitability of your property with all our technology and our knowledge. We would advise you if your property needs to be staged, if it needs to be decluttered, if it needs to be organized, or if we suggest a fresh coat of paint.
I absolutely enjoyed this process from beginning to end. I'm so looking forward to finding my third investment property, of course with the help of 2020 Real Estate, and I can't wait.
For more information about 2020 Real Estate, visit 2020realestate.net and go to our website, designingspaces.tv.